I love Canada. Canada is your symphony of snow and ice. The world is silent except for the crunch of boots on a snow-covered path. Early morning in a Canadian winter, and the sun begins its slow ascent. Pale golden light kisses frost-covered trees, turning them into glittering sculptures of ice. The air, crisp and cold, carries the scent of pine and snow. In the distance, children tumble down hills on sleds, their laughter blending with the rhythm of winter. Nearby, a frozen lake sparkles like glass, skaters tracing graceful loops in the icy air. Downtown, the city transforms into a magical wonderland. Fairy lights adorn lampposts, warm storefronts glow. A bustling market offers hot cocoa and maple syrup on snow, filling the streets with sweet aromas. As night falls, the sky paints hues of lavender and navy, stars brighter than ever against the cold. And in the north, the aurora borealis dances, a reminder of nature's beauty. Despite the chill, winter in Canada feels alive, an invitation to adventure and reflection. From snowy slopes to cozy firesides, there's a moment for everyone in this frozen wonderland.